Hello there, folks. Hey, this is Joe Ezra here. In this quick video today, we're going to talk about a little software I use in every class, and it's called DemoHelper. I just had a student come to class last week, Luis, and he was downloading it. He was asking how do you do some of the stuff. So DemoHelper is a software I use that lets me draw arrows like this on the fly of all kinds of colors, and it lets me draw squares like so of different colors around things. I can also zoom in and out in here as well during this. So first off, this software is free. If you just go to this thing called Google, maybe you've heard of it, and if you type DemoHelper and you'll search there, eventually you're going to find a software from a guy named Stefan, and he's got this thing called DemoHelper. You can click on it, download it. I think it's free. It's really small, and you don't actually install it, that I can tell you. Just basically download it, and I don't think there's an installation. It's just there. So once you download it, you can go down to your start button and simply type DemoHelper, and it should run. Now you might wonder, what do you mean by run? Well, the software doesn't show up in your taskbar or anything as that, but if you go down to your lower right-hand corner in your Windows, and you might click on your like little arrow there for icons, you can see that there's a little icon right here. This guy right here, let me make it bigger here. This little icon, look at that. See, I'm already using the tool. This little icon right here is the icon for DemoHelper. Now, if you want to get to the meat and potatoes of this, you can right click on this and you can go to options, and that'll show you what is what. so if you do control and number 1, that'll zoom in and out in here. And then control 3 will do live zoom where you can do arrows. And then control +2 is the arrow thing. So, and then depending on the arrow, you can also draw the squares. So let me go ahead and go through this. I'm going to go, can I shrink this? I'll just close this. It's all still open. Let me double check. Yeah, it's still open. So in this case, if I do control plus number 2, look at the dot. Now, when you first open this, it's going to be a really small dot. So what I do is I'll push 1 and then hold down my control button here and control. And if you roll your mouse, you can make the dot bigger. I'm using the control, hold down. And then once you have that, if you use your right clicker, it'll draw an arrow. Now, if you use your regular clicker, you get freehand shapes. But if you use the right clicker, that's what I call it, then you can do arrows. And then if you actually do that again, before you even print, once you do control and number 2, is that what I did? Let me check. Yeah, control plus number 2, before you even start to click, you can roll your mouse and you can pick different colors. So then you could do like that. And then if you want to do a square, here's the trick to a square. Hold down the shift key as you're in this mode. Notice my pointer. Hold down the shift key, and then when you draw your box, let go of the shift key, and you do that. Now, if you hold down the shift key and then let go of it before you let go of your pointer, then you get that funky shape like that. So you just got to let go of it and then hit escape. Clears everything. Now, if you want to zoom in while you're in here in this mode, since DemoHelper's running, you can do control F1 and then roll your mouse in and out, and that'll let it be bigger. Then once you get it where you want it, you click 1 time, it stays. And then here you can use your arrow tool again, or you can draw a box like that. And then once you're done, hit the escape button and it brings it back. So that's a quick demo of how to use DemoHelper. I use it all the time. What I sometimes forget is those shortcuts. So again, down here in the lower right corner, if you right click on your little icon for it, go to options. You might even have these shortcuts here, but anyway, options. And these are the pre-built things right here. And that's about it. I use this all the time. I love it for classes because it allows me to point things out to people. It allows me to zoom in. It lets me do all kinds of stuff. So that's just a quick demo of how to use Mr. Stefan's DemoHelper. Thanks a lot, team. Have a great day. See y'all.